Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Excel with a file open. Click File, then Options to reach Application Settings. Once there, go directly to Proofing. This is where Autocorrect lives. Make sure you have the proper user access, otherwise changes won't stick. Once in Proofing, click the Autocorrect Options button to open the Autocorrect dialog. You're beginning configuration immediately, so don't navigate elsewhere. This single dialog controls the replacements and formatting behaviors you'll enable next. You now configure autocorrect rules directly. First, check the box labeled Replace Text as you type so Excel will apply corrections automatically. Next, in the Replace/Add area, type the shorthand on the left and the desired full text on the right, then click Add. That creates your custom rule. Make sure to review built-in entries and remove or change any that conflict. Once done, use the Exceptions button to exclude specific words or patterns, so corrections won't interfere with valid terms. You're finishing up. Click OK to close the autocorrect dialog and OK again to exit Excel options so changes save. Now test in any worksheet by typing one of your shortcuts and pressing space or enter. Autocorrect should replace it immediately. If it does not, make sure Replace Text as you type remains checked, confirm your custom entry exists, and restart Excel to apply settings. If problems persist, check for conflicting add-ins or group policies that can prevent autocorrect from functioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.